Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the Clover Club. Now because this drink is dry shaken first, we will not add ice yet. First add 2 ounces of your favorite gin. Next add a ½ ounce of raspberry syrup. Now add a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now add an egg white. Now dry shake. Now add ice and wet shake. Now pour into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. And finally garnish with fresh raspberries. And that's how you make the classic gin cocktail, the Clover Club. Enjoy.